Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like, comment, share this video. In this video I will show you how to make a crochet heart. Here I am using grey color of yarn, 4mm of crochet hook and a scissors. First I am making a magic circle. Wrap yarn around the finger like this. Now insert your hook and pull the second line of yarn to make a loop. This loop helps to make chain on top. Hold it with your thumb and make 3 chains on top. 1, 2 and 3. Next make triple crochet stitch. Yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the magic circle. Pull the yarn. Then yarn over, pull it first 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull it from next 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull it again next 2 loops. Here we have first triple crochet. Next make 2 more triple crochet stitch again with same pattern. Here's 3 triple crochet. Now we're gonna make 3 double crochet stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the magic circle, pull the yarn, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it first 2 loops. And repeat the same pattern until you complete a total of 3 double crochet stitches. Here my 3 double crochet stitches complete. Now make 1 triple crochet stitch, twice yarn over, insert it into the magic circle, pull the yarn, now pull it first 2 loops, now again pull it second 2 loops, and now again pull it third 2 loops. Here first side complete. Now repeat the same pattern on the other side. After that made again 3 double crochet and again 3 triple crochet stitches. Here my double and triple stitches complete. Now pull it tightly for closing a magic circle. After that make 3 chains on top and slip stitch into the magic circle. Now chain 1. Secure it tightly. And cut the leftover yarn. Now in the end, tie both yarn with each other. So crochet heart tutorial is complete. I hope so this is a helpful tutorial for you. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Allah Hafiz.